Are you familiar with him? He is a French philosopher, scientist, and mathematician who is known as the father of analytic geometry and modern mathematics. His name is René Descartes. He discovered a rectangular coordinate system which is also known as XY plane or Cartesian plane. What is rectangular coordinate system? The Cartesian coordinate system uses two perpendicular number lines that meet or intersect at the point of origin, which is 0, 0. When we say perpendicular lines, two lines that intersect and form four right angles. The vertical line is the y-axis and the horizontal line is the x-axis. This plane was divided into four regions called quadrants: Quadrant 1, Quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and Quadrant 4. The plane is composed of infinitely many points. Each point in the Cartesian plane is defined by an ordered pair of the form xy, where x and y are elements of real numbers. The first coordinate of a point is called the x-coordinate or abscissa, and the second coordinate is called the y-coordinate or ordinate. The direction of the four quadrants starts from here as quadrant 1 until quadrant 4. It can't be interchanged. The signs of the first and second coordinates of a point vary in the four quadrants. In quadrant 1, the signs are positive and positive. In quadrant 2, the signs are negative and positive. In quadrant 3, the signs are both negatives. And in quadrant 4, the signs are positive and negative. There are also points which lie in the x and y axis. The points which lie in the x-axis have coordinates x, 0, and the points which lie in the y-axis have coordinates 0, y, where x and y are real numbers. Next is how to plot points on the Cartesian plane. Here are some steps on how to plot points on the Cartesian plane. First, start with the origin. Second, move to the right if the sign of the first coordinate or abscissa is positive, and move to the left if it is negative. Then last, go upward if the sign of the second coordinate is positive, and go downward if it is negative. Let's have an example. Plot the following points on the Cartesian plane and connect them to form a geometric shape. Point A is 3, 4, point B is 2, negative 3, and point C is negative 2 and 0. If this is our Cartesian plane, the center is the origin, which is also our starting point in plotting or locating points on the Cartesian plane. Point A, which is 3, 4, is located at quadrant 1 because the signs of the first and second coordinates are both positives. Let's check. The first number will tell us how many times we will move, and the sign will tell us also the direction if it is going to the right or left. Since we have positive 3, from the origin, we will move to the right 3 times. To move upward or downward, we will consider the second number. Since it is positive 4, we will rise or go upward 4 times. And this is now our point A, which is 3, 4, and it is located at quadrant 1. For point B, 2, negative 3, positive 2 means from the origin we will move to the right 2 times. And negative 3 will tell us to go downward 3 times. So this is our point B. For the last point, point C, negative 2, 0, negative 2 means from the origin we will move to the left 2 times. But since our second number is 0, it means we don't need to move anymore. And this is our point C, which is located at x-axis. Then we will connect the 3 points and they formed a triangle.